Hi there! 2012 is the celebration of International Year of Cooperatives, an initiative established by the United Nations in function of the economic and social importance of cooperative organizations around the world. The International Cooperative Alliance is the oldest and largest non-governmental organization in the world that represents more than 1 billion members in 98 countries around the world. The cooperative organizations are important in many countries where we find notable examples of cooperative economy. This proof of the efficiency of a system in which market competition may be replaced by social and economic cooperation. In Brazil, in 2011, there were more than 6,000 cooperatives with over 10 million of members. They represent about 6% of national GDP and are associated with the Brazilian cooperatives organizations. The solidarity economy in Brazil was formed in 2007 by more than 21,000 organizations, composed by 2,000 cooperatives, 11,000 associations, and other informal organizations that are fundamental in the creation of income and employment in many Brazilian poor regions. Nothing more appropriate, therefore, than launching a book that focuses the history of cooperatives and its evolutionary process in Latin America, showing aspects of efficient economic and social function performed by this not-for-profit organization in Brazil. The initial chapters provide the mathematical model and a discussion of theoretical issues. At the end, there are some texts that have applied case studies and/or free discussions of the economics and managerial problems. The theoretical approach of the book are neoclassical economics, new institutional economics, transaction cost economics, and the agency problems. This book is organized in 3 parts. Part 1 is composed by chapters that describe and focus on the initial perspective of cooperatives in Latin America. Part 2 discusses cooperatives' contractual logic in Brazil, while Part 3 brings together the chapters dealing with a comparative approach about cooperatives' organizational architecture. This book is essential to classes that focus cooperatives and organizations in business administration school, school of economics, and in agronomy schools. It is essential to understand the managerial problems in cooperative organizations, or to know the economic particularities of Brazilian cooperatives. I am full professor at the University of São Paulo, academic coordinator of a research program on cooperative organization in School of Economics and Business, and participant of International Cooperative Alliance Research Committee. This book on economics and management of cooperative organization take advantage of my experience of years devoted to the practice, study, and research on cooperatives in Brazil. This book is also available in Portuguese. Enjoy the book.